Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use Excel Solver to calculate optimal bundle prices. My problem here is actually a computer company sells devices, computers, and maintenance. There are four market segments, and these are the sizes of each segment. And customers can buy computers separately, or maintenance separately, or they can buy a bundle. So customer value is actually how these customers value the prices for the products. Over here, there's an unbundled total. In other words, if the customers buy computers separately and buy maintenance separately, so this is the total that they will pay. Then, of course, each customer will value the bundle a little bit lower than just buying each product separately. Now, surplus is something that a customer, let's say, value. In other words, if customers see a surplus when the price is lower than what they value, so that's what they call a surplus. And the way I set up this spreadsheet over here is the max surplus is actually looking at these three: computer maintenance or bundle, which one has the max surplus. Then of course, over here, the max surplus is going to be 0, because negative surplus, meaning that there's no surplus, the customer will not buy anything. And so right here is actually returning which one that is being sold. 1 is computer, 2 is maintenance, and 3 is bundle. So if this one is a 1, meaning that these customers will buy computer only, because this is what they value, computer, right? No surplus, but if they need it, they still would buy it. Over here is 0, because customer doesn't buy. We can see that there is no positive surplus or negative. And so these are the trial prices that I put it on over here. Later on, I will show you how to use Solver to solve the optimal price. But these are only the trial, right, that I put it over here. Now, just take a look at it here. For example, segment 2, value 1390. Price is higher, right? This one price is higher. This one bundle price is also higher, and so therefore no sales. Now the way I set up sales is actually looking at over here. There's an HLOOKUP formula to look at which column for which product sold, and then pick the price, right? And times total value over here. As you can see, this is the formula. And the profit is actually pretty much similar to sales, except that now it's going to look at the cost, and then take the sales minus the cost will become the profit. So now let's look at, see over here, total profit is only 37,000, because this segment, nothing sold. This segment, nothing sold, right? So I go to data over here in the ribbon and go to Solver to open up the Solver box. The Solver box over here is, as you can see, I set the objective of this cell. maximum profit, right? Max. And then by changing what? Changing these, right? D12 to F12. And I also need a constraint. For example, these prices, I set it up not more than 2,800, and they got to be positive. So once I set it up, then I can go over here, and I use the evolutionary solver. Let's look at the options. Right here, I also have a tab over here showing the solver, what number that I need to put in over here, right? So evolutionary, right? Conversion .0001, mutation rate .5, population size 100, random seed 0, maximum time without improvement 300 minutes. I want to give it more time for the calculations. Click OK. Now going back over here, before I click on solve, let's look at solver setting. See over here is the all methods, right, the options. Now the evolutionary solver setting, this is evolutionary, right? I just showed you earlier. And this is the way we put it, the parameters for the solver to solve it. So let's go back here and then click solve. Okay, so this looks like a gun over here. This is actually over here, and let's make sure that I have the correct one. Changing variable D12 to F12. Okay, constraint D12 F12 8. Okay, D12 F12 to got to 0. So now I need to set this actually this one is going to be M14. That's the max. That's the, we want to set it the maximum value. Okay. So now let's click solve. As you can see down here, Excel is calculating, see, trial solutions, and this will probably take 10 minutes to have a result. So I'm going to put this on hold and wait for the results. Then I'm going to come back and show you the results. Thank you for your patience. Hi, I'm back. Thank you for waiting. And rather than keep you waiting, I just kind of fast forwarded to, and let's look at the results. So this is done with the first trial of solver. So first of all, let's look at the, oh, look at that. Wow, the total, $103,000. And so here we can see that what was sold is actually the bundle, which is good. And this is the bundle, and this is the bundle. Only over here, only sold computers only, not these two. So do we want to keep solver solutions? Yeah. Or if we're not happy, we can restore original values. return to solver parameters dialog, or we're just gonna keep it and then rework it. So if we're not happy with this total profit with these prices, we can just like go ahead and revise this and then do the solver again to solve it. So this is kind of reasonable because look at this price here, higher than the lowest one and then lower than the highest one, and this one is kind of high because if customers don't want to buy the bundle, I don't think anyone just want to buy maintenance separately though. But this one is kind of okay. So we can always do another trial. We can revise this trial price and then run the solver again. But you got the idea. And so voila, how to use the solver to get the optimal price. And this is wrapping up my presentation. If you like it, don't forget to check out my channel and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. And thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye now.